I think for us, we are really fortunate to be able to display over the next few days, but also
I think what we're
looking forward to is bringing our people out to enjoy meeting people. So I think as well as the display, which I know everyone will enjoy, I think we're also hoping that you will come and meet us at our Red Arrows branded tents just north of the Boeing Plaza. You'll see us at lots of
Tower Pier 41 is with you 7 miles out.
Questions.
Pier 41, Roger, Oshkosh Tower, are you going to be doing the training or are you going to be doing that race break flyover? Pier 41 will be a visual trade-in. You're doing the trade-in full stop.
For the Red Arrows.
Absolutely.
Alright, Pier 41, runway 36 left, clear land straight in. Pier 41, clear land 36 left.
What can we expect to see?
Tower people say wind. The wind is 260 at 5.
22, 23 minutes. First half, we try and keep it
Pier 41, because
we're rolls, lots of loops, and that's carefully
Tower Conquest 1 Victor Hotel, we're about to lodge 4500.
splits the formations
Hold that pocket lock.
and you really see the hall be a lot more dynamic, so you have
Hold that pocket lock.
really
Conquest that pocket lock is going to be about 15 minutes or so before we can get to it.
really colourful moments. Clearly there's some parts of the display that people always try and get photographs of. We've got a manoeuvre called Tornado, where 5 aircraft come out and bend around in front of the crowd, while 2 other aircraft come around that smoke trail, which take your phones out of your pockets and get pictures of that before putting them back away again and enjoying just the visual spectacle of that display, not forgetting manoeuvres such as the Heart and Spear as well. So very traditional format to our show, but the show does change every year. So Red One brings in new manoeuvres each and every season. That's why it takes us 6 months to prepare before the 6 months of shows. But certainly for Oshkosh, you're going to enjoy a classic Red Arrows display.
Very good. Is the selection process for the Red Arrows similar to what we are familiar with the Thunderbirds and the Blue Angels?
So Red One's a returning pilot. He or she would have been on the team prior to that. But all of the pilots will have gone through a selection process, and they've had to do a frontline tour with the Royal Air Force flying our frontline aircraft. They'll have to have a minimum of 1,500 fast jet flying hours, and they need to have been assessed as above average throughout their flying career before they can even apply for the team. And when they do apply for the team, it's a week-long job interview where we have formal interviews, a bit of media training and testing. We have a flying test to see what they're like amongst people, see if they're going to be collegiate and selection. So it's a long process, but hopefully we have people who really want to be with us.
Very good. We've been talking mainly about pilots, but also there must be support members that are along. Are they here as well?
Absolutely. So we've got more than 100 people with us in total, not just the pilots, but also members of the Red Arrows ground crews, fleet, the Rain Fleet overall, drivers, our public staff. We've also got a number of people from supporting RAF units as well, so who aren't usually in the Red Arrows, but supporting us on this campaign. Without them, we couldn't operate. So we've got our medical staff, security teams, and others too. So it really is a big team effort from across the RAF to make this happen.
Great. Just a minute or so left. Any final thoughts before we wrap up?
It's a huge thank you from us. I think we are always thrilled to come to the United States. As I said, it doesn't